guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a wig refill from IDEFINEWIG. So this is the packaging that the wig comes in. You get a little leaflet that shows you how to take care of your wig and 2 wig caps. So I just want to talk a little bit about the website. It's super easy to use, free shipping worldwide, and you also get discounts when you order your first wigs. Also 30 days returning exchange at a reasonable price. The website is super beginner friendly to use. It shows you the wear and go wigs, what kind of wigs to go for, and also you get to choose your cap size, which is absolutely brilliant. It's not a one size fit all. So let's get into the in style, and I'm just putting my cap on just to start off with the process. So this wig is a 13x4. It is 20-inch. The texture is royal wave and it's 150% density. So it comes with clips and the hair band where you can actually adjust it. So that's really amazing. Super soft. I love that it came already curled, so it just made things easy for me, though I wish I should have plugged it a little bit more. The lace was a little bit tinted, but not as much. I didn't tint it, I just put my foundation. I should have really plucked it a little bit more, but it still worked out for me in the end. So this is 100% human hair, and I'm just going to be putting the foundation that is a little bit darker than me, because we don't want to put the one that's similar to me, because when the wig is lying on your hair, it needs to look like your scalp. So yeah, I love that you can also wear this wig without actually gluing it down, but I wanted it glued down because I had events that I needed to go. So I'm just doing what I do. I know everybody does their wigs differently. This is how I do it, and it works for me. So yeah, I'm just going to be cutting out the lace, and I'm going to let you guys see the process of how we install this wig. Make sure you check the description below. I'll have all the details of the wig, and also don't forget to use Nyasha15 as my discount code. You get 15% off. Okay. So you can part this wig in the middle, you can brush it back. Just a reminder, it is a 13x4. So I am going in with my foundation just to make sure that you don't see that lace. As you can see, it still worked out in the end, even though I didn't pre-pluck the wig. But be sure also, guys, to use my code Nyasha15 to get 15% off. All the links are going to be below for every single detail on this wigs. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I really appreciate you guys. I hope you enjoying these wig install videos. These are pretty much beginner because I'm not really a pro at installing my hair, but I make it work and I make it look cute. Until next time, bye guys.